So in this video, as you saw in the title of course, we are going to see about matter. Let's take this ball for example. This is a normal ball. Let's take this glass of water for example. That is a glass of water. And let's take this balloon. All of these have something in common. Everything is made up of something. Now what is this something? Everything in this earth is made up of sun, air, water, earth. Okay, let's put that as it. We are not talking mythology here. We are talking science. So we need to prove it. Mind that. So one way to prove that is to take this ball, of course, and zoom it. Okay, not that much. Like microscopic level. Yes. No, I'm not being dramatic here. I'm being scientific. Anyway. So these particles here, of course, they are like small ball-like particles. And they're moving. Yeah. So let's keep these set of particles aside. And let's take this glass of water. Now what's in this water? Yeah, our method again. Let's zoom it. So now, as you can see, one here, one here, one here, one here. These look similar to the old particles, right? But it's just that had more and this is less. Why is that? Okay, before we jump into density and all such stuff, let's keep this aside and explore the balloon. Take it and zoom it. Of course, there are particles, again the same thing. It's like serial episodes here, right? One after other, the same thing. Just a little bit of difference. Anyway, in this balloon particles, there are not a lot of them. One here and one here. That's it. Okay, these are called atoms, if you didn't know. And kind of a macro particle of atom is called molecule. So a molecule is the simplest form of something that can exist. So let's take that ball again for example. And this ball is made up of rubber, right? And what we saw there is the smallest particle of rubber that can exist without collapsing. And same goes for the glass of water and the balloon. In the case of the glass of water, what we saw was the smallest particle of water, that is a molecule of H2O, which is 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. So in case of the air, it's just a mixture of many things and you can't say which. So to know more about particles and matter and all that stuff, stay tuned for the next video.